like the structure, the way they design it, because it's old. That's why I love it. Maria Rocha, and I'm the housekeeper at Bradley Hospital. Bathrooms, classrooms, the units, the floors, you name it, everything. We get a call to clean, we gotta do it. It's like a very important job, the way I see it. I have a lot of keys, sometimes it gets a little confusing. I try to do the best I can. I don't cut corners. I'm a little bit picky. Small up here, have only 2 bathrooms. Sometimes we don't have the time. We're very short of people right now. It's a very nice place to work. Just apply. It's a good position, nothing wrong being a housekeeper. I am one and I'm very proud.